Round 2. So. If my flaps are. Yeah.
He's
So
scared.
nervous. Oh my God! Yeah, it turned.
That tail looks a little messed up.
I think we need a ladder. I don't know if I'll be able to follow you.
It's gonna be hard. Rudders look good. Third flight. We can't do any worse than the first 2 times. Are they watching?
Yep.
I don't know. I don't think it. We'll find out.
Give it all you got.
They look straight.
I don't know.
Maybe we just slam on the gas and it takes off.
Let's hope.
Three, 2. I'm so nervous again. 1. We're up. Holy crap!
How long is the range?
I don't know.
I can't see it.
Hey, go land. Don't let it land on the top of the school. You'll never see it again.
Coming back around.
I lost it, Stevie.
Don't land in the trees.
Can't see it.
Oh, it's coming towards us.
You sure?
Yep.
Yeah.
You're just to the right of that big pine tree.
Why is it so watery?
You're in the middle of the golf course.
I think you're going farther away.
Are you bringing it to us?
Going up and down.
Oh my God, I don't know where you're going.
Up in the river.
Wait, like
You're over top at the middle of the golf course, going further
really
away.
Far away, actually.
You're going farther away, buddy.
I don't know how to get back.
Turning around. You'll
Shit.
lose control.
I'm trying.
It's turning over top, but it's going right-hand turn. You see that?
No, it's so far away.
Oh my God, Steven.
No, it's so far away.
I think you're going into the river. There's a river back there.
Oh shoot.
Wait, am I going towards us or away from us?
You're coming back towards us now.
Yeah,
I can't see it.
coming back. It's going that way.
Do you see it?
Headed toward the house on the
I've
corner.
lost it.
It's over.
It's over, right over that tree.
It's
thing.
coming back this way,
Oh,
Stevie.
I see it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh my gosh! This is crazy. We're coming in hot, boys.
Keep it coming.
Okay.
Keep it heading this direction or I'll never see it again. Oh, it's coming in closer. Woo! Wow, it's moving.
Whoa.
Moving real long.
Yeah, I'm doing really well.
Moly.
Does it beep when it's almost out of fuel?
I'm gonna try and land it.
You land it over here, or you have to wade through that swamp.
I'm getting too hot. Oh yeah, she's out of battery.
Oh my God.
Losing control.
Oh God, Steven. What are you doing?
I can't. He's
The
beeping.
Mayday beep?
Yeah, we've got it.
Don't get in the swamp.
No, that's.
You have to do some weight. Yeah, that's coming in good. At least you
That
know
was
where-
good.
at least
That was
you
so
know
much
where it
fun.
is.
Woo!
That was
Great
quite a
success.
flight. That was quite a flight. Holy moly.
Oh my god, that was awesome. We did it.